Okay, I'm going to go back over these slides and we're going to go back over the coordinate plane assignment just because it's so important that we understand how the coordinate plane works, because it is going to continue over into our next lesson. So we need to just refresh on this. So what we're looking at is we're plotting the point -3, 5. Remember, the first number that is listed is the x coordinate, which means this is telling me to go left or right first based on whether or not it's positive or negative. And that's why I drew these arrows right here to show you that because this is negative, you're going to go left. So you're always going to start at the origin. You're always going to start at 0, 0. And this is 0, 0 right here, where the two axes cross. So you're going to start here. Because it's negative, you see the numbers listed down here on the graph. You're going to go to the left 3 places, which is why that arrow's there. Then the 5 is positive, which is why the arrow is going up. So you notice these are positive numbers here. So this point right here is -3 over -3 up +5. Okay, so the next one, again, you have to start in the center and you have to go left or right first. Because this is the x coordinate, you have to go along the x-axis first. So because 4 is positive, that's why I have the red arrow going 4 units to the right. And then because the 3 is negative, I have the red arrow going down. So it has to go left or right first, and then up or down second. So it's left or right first, up or down second. So at 0, -3, the 0 tells me first that there is no movement left or right. So I'm still starting at 0, 0, but I'm not moving left or right. So that is why there is only one arrow here pointing down. So when you have a question like this, refer back to this slide to check to see where the arrows are pointing. And then when you have a 0 as the second coordinate, the y coordinate, that means there is 0 movement up or down. So still starting at the origin at 0, 0, the first number is 5. So I follow the red arrow to 5, but because the second number is 0, that means there is 0 movement up or down. So I just stay there and I would mark my point there. So if you get confused, you need to refer back to these 4 slides. But the biggest problem from the last assignment that I saw was that y'all were going up or down first and then going left or right. But it is left and right first and then up or down second.